Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you are looking for a new set of mixing bowls, I would definitely recommend this one from Phantom Chef. These bowls are not only really safe and great to use because they're BPA free, but they are also really pretty and colorful. The set comes with 5 bowls and I have the green. I really love them. You have a really large, nice bowl that would be great for making salads or mixing. Then you have a medium size as well as 2 smaller ones, which are really pretty green as well. Then it also comes with a colander, which is made of the same melamine materials. Each of the bowls also comes with a lid. Now these bowls look really pretty for either salads, as I said, or for mixing. They're really easy to clean thanks to that material that they're made of, and they're scratch resistant as well. So these are nice durable bowls. They are not microwave safe, however, they're great for putting into the dishwasher because you're not gonna have any chances that you will shrink them at all or they'll change shape. You can see they're made of a nice hard material. They're nice and sturdy, really easy to hold on to, and they fit nicely in your refrigerator as well. So a great set from Phantom Chef. I would definitely recommend these beautiful bowls, but that's just my point of view.